I fell in love with it in high school, and ever since then I'm like, heck yeah, that's what I want to do.
What Danny Johnson fell in love with is welding. Thanks to the MTC-operated Centennial Job Corps Center in Idaho, Danny's dreams are becoming a reality.
Looks good, man. Good speed.
My instructor, if it wasn't for him and even my classmates, I think I honestly would have threw my hands up.
Instructor Andrew Smith has been Danny's greatest mentor.
What should I expect when I become a welder out in the field?
Without Job Corps, Danny says his life would have had little direction.
Never had the right support system. Never really knew what to do with my life. There's some 70-18 stuff I've been struggling on a little bit. Is that vertical? Right.
After graduation, Danny wants to work for a company welding roller cages for race cars. He wants to keep those professional drivers safe.
I fell in love with race cars, so I maybe saving somebody's life in my welds.
For now, Danny will work hard, earning several certifications in welding at the Centennial Center. He'll do an internship and then head off into the workforce, all thanks to this life-changing program we call Job Corps.